Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time! It's time for the lightning round of Cramer's Bit. What's that? Well, that's about and then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? It's time for the lightning round of Cramer's Bit. Money. What do you got? Anthony, California. Anthony.
Yeah. Hi, Jim. I got a small cap speculative event. LTHM.
No, that's like betting on the Eagles this weekend against No, actually, I like the Eagles against the Giants. This is a Philadelphia company that's a spinoff that I don't want you in. It's too speculative. You adjust it right, and the answer is no. I need to go to Steve in New Hampshire. Steve.
Booyah, Mr. Cramer.
Booyah, Steve.
Hey, I have a stock that has done nothing for a couple of years, and now since March it's increased from 8 to it's now around 30. And there's no news on it that I can find out what's driving TG Therapeutics, TGTX.
No. It had this was Mike Weiss's thing. I knew Mike Weiss was an analyst, and it turns out that his drug that he thought was going to be big, that he came on the show and talked about, and I said, I believe. Well, it took a long time, but it's working. Do not sell Mike Weiss, and Mike should come back on. I love that guy. I loved him years ago. Let's go to Victor in Illinois. Victor!
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
My question is about Velodyne. With it being a market leader in the LiDAR technology.
No, LiDAR. No, it's a spin-off. No, I mean, look, no, we're not going to be in those. We'll be in Google with the idea that maybe the government will break it up and get some Waymo. How about Jim in Indiana? Jim.
Hoosier Booyahs, Jim.
Nice.
With the emphasis on cybersecurity, I invested in FireEye a few years ago. I've been waiting for something to happen.
Well, you're going to have to keep waiting. There's nothing there. I would invest in Frank Reich, and frankly, I think that Frank's going to go much deeper than people realize. If that's because he's playing Burton the way he should. FireEye, no. You buy. I want you to buy Nikesh Arora stock. I want you to Palo Alto Networks. I was thinking also, whoa. Yeah, that's what you want. Let's go to Andrea in New Jersey. Andrea.
Hi, Jim. I want to know what you think of the stock NLY.
No, we've been against NLY from 15 down to 7, and we reiterate that we're against it, and don't get sucked into that large dividend, okay? When Mike Farrell ran it, I did like it, but Mike's gone and passed a long time ago, sadly. A great man and a charitable man. Let's go to Jeff in Florida. Jeff.
Hey, Jim Cramer, how you doing?
I am doing well. How about you?
I'm doing great. I just wanted to say thank you to you and your incredible staff for the wealth of information that you guys pass down to us. Any investor, seasoned or beginning, can learn so much from you. I really want to thank you for that.
We do have a great staff, and, because of social distancing, we don't get to be together. We're not going to any games or beer. We used to have such a great time together. One day this will end.
Yeah, you got to
do
get
it
that
again.
camaraderie back.
One day it'll end. Okay, so what's up?
I hope so. I'm looking at a company called Sinclair Broadcast Group. They have got great revenues, sitting on a ton of cash with sports coming back, the election ads, earnings coming up in November. I'm looking at this a bargain right now.
It is such. I don't know what. Look, I got to tell you, I like your call, but I don't know what changes the dynamic. It won't move. You're totally right about everything you said. I've watched it, but I threw away Viacom for my charitable trust right at this point, and I am so angry at myself still. So I think that maybe you got to go in. Can we go to JJ? Do we have time to go to JJ? JJ in New York. JJ.
Cramer, thanks for all you do for all the small investors like myself. Your thoughts on Lithium Americas Corporation, symbol
Second
LA.
Lithium. I'm against lithium right now. I think it's too much in flux. If you're going to buy a miner, yes, I'm going to have to send you. I know this isn't what you want. I'm going to have to send you to GOLD Barrick. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.